What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that accepts data as input, processes it using instructions, also called a program, and gives meaningful output. It can also store the results for future use. Computers work very fast, with high accuracy and efficiency. Key functions of a computer: input, accepts raw data; processing, converts data into useful information; output, displays or shares the result; storage, saves data and information. Applications of computers. Computers are used in almost every field of modern life. Here are some common areas: education, online learning, digital classrooms, research; business, managing accounts, employee records, customer databases; health care, storing patient data, medical imaging, diagnosis systems; banking, online transactions, ATMs, managing customer accounts; entertainment, playing games, watching movies, editing videos; science and research, data analysis, modeling experiments; communication, emails, chatting, video conferencing; engineering and design, CAED software, simulations; central processing unit, CPU. The CPU is often called the brain of the computer. It controls all the operations and performs calculations and logical decisions. The CPU has three main parts: arithmetic logic unit, ALU. This part does all the mathematical operations, like addition or subtraction, and logical operations, like comparing numbers. Control unit, CU. It manages and controls the activities of the computer. It fetches instructions from memory, decodes them, and executes them. Registers. These are small storage units within the CPU that hold data temporarily while instructions are being processed. The CPU is located on the motherboard and communicates with memory, input, output devices, and storage.